Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan ra sepi da ka singam beats aqua na molai moro hakajingdap sunsnem jongka. Rengkat ka 3 Olives Restaurant M Crown Hotel Kendailat Shillong bat ka Orange Nissan Loan So Po Shillong. One ban thiet ya ka kali Datsun ready go bathamai ka bas kem bat bidor.
Kahil Farmers Union Southwest Khasi Hills District kala Rakhe ye kasngi ki nongrep ne ka Meghalaya Farmers Day ha ka Southrik no pra arjar arpho ha yeng dorbar hall jong ka maukarwat ha ka ba uba JM lengdo ulalong kumukongsan ha kani kasngi la ajing hikairu ya ki nongrep da upranjal bara ubawan na kanong ba gohati ban hikai ye ki nongrep kumnu bakin rep ten
Meghalaya in the world out of 107 countries health-wise, malnutrition, hunger index, India is in the 94th position. And in India, Meghalaya is the 5th malnourished state. As the name of our organization is Mushroom Development Foundation, so we would definitely like to share our experiences. Since Madam Sila is there, she knows much more about mushrooms than me. Our core strength, if we look into our core strength, then it is basically we have developed a model how farmers comes together in clusters, develop a value chain. Value chain is nothing very complicated, but value chain is who will do what and how a lot of people will grow mushrooms and how you will get your planting materials, the spawn and HM bags very easily, and how you are going to collect your mushrooms and sell it quickly. If we need to eat 60 grams of protein every day, that is we have to metabolize. We will have to not only eat but we will have to metabolize. So we get protein mainly from animals, right? So we have to have 60 grams minimum if we are not working very hard to keep a healthy life. So in this group of people, how many of you think that you are having at least 60 grams of quality protein every day? Another 10 rupees for a straw, 30 rupees. So you tell me, in 30 rupees, meat, fish, milk, eggs, what will you get for the entire family? You have family of 5. So you have to have 5 eggs. So okay, 5 eggs you get 7 rupees 1 egg. Now 35. So mushroom in 20 rupees you can make 1 kg of mushroom. If you have your own straw.
From one bag, you can get 1 kg.
Yeah.
Nakasipla ka to kapag pintum nay kan mi do si kilo tit. Tamanta pinlut tam tang lai ko tin ka. Nay pin thiet do min thiet ki do siar ki do masi ki ki wi jai do nay lai ko tin ka kin yo yu. Em ka peleng wi nyong tin ka roi. La da phe don nyong wo thai yeng along do la sam tin ka.
And 1 kg mushroom is lot, no?
Ngai si kilo tit pa deu la buon.
1 kg mushroom 10 people can have. Aram se, right?
Ta si kilo tit la ban ya bam ro si ko ngut.
And if you have mushrooms every day, automatically your health is going to become very good.
Dari ki bam bari utit man ka si ka mot. Kan long la kalong kun ta baka protein kan bet macam pi kan biang vitamin sin dete. Kan pelong kan bet dapat dia.
Di Rakhe, bila penolong yang kawin kata di bawah farmer panen, abang itu penolong hasil batu Batai yang berkata dunia makanya katanya kau kajian formal union jauh kasentral body, but jauh kembali mereka lagi berkuai, bangga yarai berkuai kejemut, bahak kum kini kasih kasok dari, kabang itu penuh yang formal pereman, kalau bang Rakhe no haman lagi yang kita kisah. Dia dah kata kalian itu kum kamu perluan, ibu ia kena program. Nakita mengidio pada celebrat dia kena kasih ke bangsa, kasih ke kerpan, haka mereka saudari.
Hal mereka akan diport berada nilai form dan nilai part yang minister berdebat yang mereka di kamera hal yang satu house bagi negara menyetai kalau kecilnya kajongi hak pada kamera Bapak Tegak dan semua adalah sedang kapati ini kau oleh satu house ialah bersama dengan mood bagi itu mereka jadi ofisial ini menginjau bapak kilam isya dia penduk kenapa makin rak saya kesorkan rak saya kesorkan yang bah ikon sosial mereka tak tahu apa jemput jangan lupa kila tipai lubang dan kobel di kepor kamsa but hari pertama ni supending bagi kelak ini hari pertama ni jika pun orang jai mana kalian juga bagi perut juga kibayadon kita dengan asnah ini ML di Muslim idon mengirim nama sekemas dan repeat dia yang bagi tren atau me hakabai dari kamera yang jadi kenal bagi non kita sesok akan ada kedua kan atau akan ada strip jadi para hakim hebat, kilau berusaha